You think RJ like? Yeah? And it's bumpy. Yeah.
For safety reasons, please keep aisles and doorways clear at all times. All personal items should be stored in your lap or under your seat. Thank you.
Here is coming the front runners. Come here, RJ.
Got it?
Yeah, there is. There is.
There you go.
Yeah, let's go. Pasok na tayo.
Thank you for riding with me.
There is RJ. Okay. Yeah, there is. Okay, you not want the sun. Okay, there you go. And there is the waiting area. And there is. There's RJ. Oh, RJ there. They're riding a train. You like to ride a train, RJ? Yeah? Yeah.
That used to be the shark waterfall.
Yeah. Train
There
there.
we go.
There you go, the other train.
Going.
Oh no, we're going now.
Go watch out.
Okay. There we go. It's running now. There he is. Have other front runner there.
Going so fast.
Yep.
So fast. For you train station.
Where you walk like 4 kilometers today.
And there's RJ is moving the train. Look at RJ. Look. Look. RJ, there he is. See? He's moving the train. Look at that. We're going the train. We pick up the old truck. Pick up truck.
That's Walmart.
Walmart. Yeah. It's there, the Walmart. Proper. There. Yay! Bumpy ride.
Where's that?
Bumpy ride. No. Going to the north. RJ, to the north. Yay! RJ, here he is. RJ, there he is. Yay! Daddy.
Ne kadar burası?
There it is. Area. Where are you going? Area. Oh, nice honey in the car.
Yeah.
Was it? There's Arjun. There you go.
Let's watch.
These are the seats.
We're now in the top. Look at the view.
You want to sit here?
Be considerate of others. Please keep your feet off the seats.
Yay! Here. RJ. RJ, what you looking for? RJ. Here it is. It's nice here, RJ, look. Nice in the top, honey.
Is it?
Yeah. Nice, RJ.
Seatbelt. Seatbelt.
RJ. What do you think, RJ? Like? Yeah?
Shaky wouldn't stand up.
And it's bumpy.
For safety reasons, please keep aisles and doorways clear at all times. All personal items should be stored in your lap or under your seat. Thank you.
What is the RJ? Wow. There is the apartment. Brand new. Like townhouse.
Wow, no, wow, no.
It's
It's so bumpy. Wow.
almost dark now. It's going to dark. Okay.
Please prepare to exit.
Where's our pickup truck, RG?
Hiding.
Find our pickup truck here. There. Let's go. Let's go out now,
Oh,
RG.
yes.
Here go. Hold that. Okay, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Yay! We made it. Okay, come here now, RG. Come here. Yeah, we made it. No, so close in the train, RJ. Yeah.
His sunglasses, his
Yeah,
hat.
I have here.
Where's the hat?
I have here. My,
Put it in there.
yep. Where is? Guilty.
Mommy, where
Yeah.
did you put my
Oh,
sunglasses?
you ready? They only stop for 45 seconds.
You put the
Huh?
45 seconds. I timed it.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you put my sunglasses in there?
Yeah. Okay.